everybody? It's your boy Killer B, and I'm here with the wifey right here, man. And we are getting ready for Twisted in Texas 2 this weekend, October the 24th, 25th, in Leakey, Texas. And I'm gonna be staying in Kerrville, Texas. Man, y'all come and join us. We finna give you all the lowdown, what's going on this year at the ride, y'all. So man, check out these clips from last year. We outside, man. We outside. Where we at now?
I don't know.
The Bent Rim. We at the Bent Rim, y'all. We outside, and we having fun out here, y'all. I'm enjoying it. Everybody else is enjoying it. We just enjoying life out here, y'all. Y'all see all the people out here. It's been a blessing, man. Together, so y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all see that?
What he say?
What he say, y'all?
Rolling, man.
Dude.
Awesome Kingdom.
What's your name?
Mike.
Michelle. Man, nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too, man.
Yeah.
Kelly P.
Yes, me. How you doing?
Rick Nichols. How are you?
Nice to meet you,
Good
Rich.
to see you.
Yes, sir. Well, dude, what's going on, man? Y'all ought to remember this face, because he always rocking with me. It's a beautiful morning. Today, we are riding the 3 Twisted Sisters, man. Yes, sir. I got my dude Bishop right over here. Right there. We ready to rock and roll, baby. My dude Bishop came away from Memphis, Tennessee, down by my father-in-law. So yeah, man, we ready to rock and roll, man. Y'all see the people here, so let's get it in. What's going on, man? How you doing? Yes, we are here, baby. What's going on?
How many are from out of state, out of Texas?
Nice.
15, 20.
Awesome.
Give them a round of applause from out of Texas.
Appreciate y'all.
Yeah, how many are from out of the country?
There we go.
We got one. He rode all the way from Ontario, Canada.
Man, look up there, man. Oh my God. I love this, man. I didn't know Texas had all this, man. Hey, I hope you enjoyed those clips right there. Man, we are excited about Twisted in Texas 2. This is our 2nd year. Last year, we did it at the last minute, and we had over 100 bikes just last year at a very, very short notice. But we are looking for this year. We're looking forward to this year, y'all. So y'all, I hope y'all excited and looking forward to meeting everybody who's been emailing me, texting me. Hey, y'all, it's gonna be a great time. So my wife's finna give you some instructions on what's going on, what we're meeting at, and what we talk, all the rides. If you wanna meet up with us, hey, that's what we finna get going right now. So we're gonna turn it over to wifey, and she gonna let you know where we're meeting up at.
Hi everybody, we are excited about Twisted in Texas 2. So first, meet us at Buc-ee's in Temple, Texas at 11 a.m. So that address is 4155 North General Bruce Drive, Temple, Texas. And again, that's at Buc-ee's at 11 a.m. So that kickstands will be up at 12 noon to leave from Buc-ee's. From there, we'll travel to Javelina Harley Davidson. That address is 29078 Interstate 10 Frontage Road, Bernie, Texas. We hope that you can be there by 3 o'clock. We'll be there by 3 p.m. And from there, we'll travel on for food and fellowship at Acapulco Restaurant. That address is 1718 Sidney Baker Street in Kerrville, Texas. Meet us there by 7 p.m. for food and fellowship. We're not necessarily just trying to eat together, but we just want to be there, and everyone who's there by then, we should be eating by 7:30, maybe 8 o'clock. From there, everybody goes to their respective hotels and plan to get up early that Saturday morning to meet us at Walmart Supercenter. We plan to meet there at 8 a.m., kickstands up at 9 a.m. to travel part of the Twisted Sisters down to the Bent Rim Grill. There we will give away merch, right?
Yeah. Yeah,
What else?
we'll be giving away merch right there. We doing some giveaways. So make sure you watch the videos because a lot of the questions we're gonna be throwing out there is gonna be coming from our videos. So make sure you go back and watch a few videos, try to catch up. If you hadn't followed us in a while or you hadn't been watching videos, make sure you go check out those videos so you can win some of this giveaways that we got going on, man. We are excited to give these away. Bogey got quite a bit of stuff that he's giving away. You can also get your Twisted in Texas 2 shirts over there as well. Bogey did a great video today, so make sure you go watch that video. It's telling you more stuff because they're staying in Leaky, however they want to pronounce it. It's going to be down there. So he's staying down there with, and a bunch of other people staying down there as well. So make sure you check out his video as well so you can get everything you need so you won't be lost, and make sure you get your directions right so you won't get lost like we did last year trying to get down there. It took us all day to get down there, y'all, and we got some YouTubers coming out. I'm excited about that. We got Boots and Jean Riders coming out. We got Southern Hall coming out. We got TD205 coming out. I think my dude Jess GQ supposed to be there as well. So y'all come out and enjoy this ride, y'all. We probably gonna have about 200 bikes or more this year, and we're gonna have merch and everything. But like I say, Bogey got merch already. I got some shirts that's being made. Hopefully I get them back in time. I've been kind of procrastinating a little bit, just tired and not taking care of business like I should. But yeah, we're gonna get those out. And my girl Susan for Two of Journey Junkies is, oh man, she made a great design for the Twisted in Texas 2 shirts, y'all.
And don't forget when we leave the Bent Real Grill.
Yeah.
Bent Real Grill.
Yeah.
We will be actually riding the Twisted Sisters.
Yeah. After we do the giveaways at the Bent Real Grill, we will be riding the rest. The Bent Real Grill is the halfway point. That's what that is. So and that's a nice little ride too, y'all. If you didn't check my video from leaving Walmart last year, that's a nice ride and some beautiful scenery out there. So I think you're gonna enjoy that. It's some nice hills and mountains, because I didn't know Texas had hills and mountains until last year. I heard people used to talk about it, but I didn't know that we had that. So y'all, it's some beautiful country down there. So y'all make sure y'all come and join us, man. I'm excited. My bride going with me this year, and we just gonna have an awesome time. This will be her second ride with me this far. This is gonna be the longest ride for her because it's like 6 hours for us. So yeah, this is gonna be nice, y'all. But I think she might end up driving because we gotta have tables for the merch and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, but other than that, she will be there. So she is definitely gonna be there with us. So y'all, I'm looking forward to seeing y'all there. So y'all ride safe, and we're gonna get out of here. It's hot out here. We just got out of church. You see how we dress right now. We just got out of church, man, and we had to drive back home 2 hours. So y'all, we're gonna end the video right here, and I appreciate my bride coming on here doing this with me. She usually don't like being in front of the camera, but I appreciate her coming on here with me this time. And I just wanted to, show her that and let her know that how we out here just enjoying life, man. Because like I say, life is short, y'all. Go live your life, man. Live your best life. Until the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. We are. Peace.
Falling from the sky, hard on the road, soul in the ride, forever bold on that Kelly B glide.